In the fast food industry, your reputation is only as good as your last meal. Active food safety monitoring is your first line of defense. To stay compliant, your checklist must focus on 4 pillars: personal hygiene, precise food storage, strict cooking temperatures, and cross-contamination prevention. It's about the details, regularly inspecting temperatures, enforcing hand washing, and ensuring that raw and ready-to-eat foods never meet. Consistency is key. You need daily spot checks at every shift change, plus detailed weekly reviews to catch issues before they become expensive violations. But a checklist is only as good as the team using it. Interactive training and safety briefings build a culture where every employee is a safety advocate. We know that managing these moving parts across multiple locations is a challenge. That's where Ops Analytica comes in. We save you time and slash compliance costs with our fully configured turnkey implementation packages. We do the heavy lifting for you. Our platform is ready to go on day 1, allowing your team to start monitoring immediately without a lengthy or frustrating setup process. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the chat. There's no commitment, no cost, just a straightforward conversation. Let's make your food safety effortless.